In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. If you've ever struggled with getting your text perfectly aligned in Google Sheets, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring that your spreadsheets not only function well, but also look polished and professional. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. This could be a new document or an existing one that you've been working on. Once your sheet is open, the first thing you need to do is select the cell or cells where you want the text to be centered. You can do this by simply clicking on a single cell, or by clicking and dragging to select multiple cells. If your text is scattered across various places, you can also hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each cell to select them individually. Next, you'll want to locate the horizontal alignment icon. This icon is typically found on the toolbar at the top of your screen, and it looks like a small set of horizontal lines aligned to the left, center, and right. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu with different alignment options. Since we want to center the text, go ahead and choose the option that aligns the text to the center. Now that you've centered the text horizontally, it's time to move on to vertical alignment. This ensures that the text sits perfectly in the center of the cell, both vertically and horizontally, which can be particularly useful if your cell size is larger than the text it contains. To do this, find the vertical alignment icon, which looks similar to the horizontal alignment icon, but with vertical lines. Click on it to open another drop-down menu. From here, select the middle alignment option. This will ensure that your text is perfectly centered within the cell vertically. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully centered your text in Google Sheets. Remember, these adjustments can have a big impact on how professional and clean your spreadsheet appears. Whether you're sending this document to a colleague, using it for a presentation, or just tidying up your own records, centered text can help your data stand out and be easily readable. If you have any questions about this process, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about using Google Sheets, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.